Okay, this is to escape if the person has you submitted and they have you pinned down and they are choking you. Now, most likely, if you happen to get yourself into this position, the person is bigger and stronger than you. So you trying to go like this, more than likely that's unrealistic. So we have to shock the person's system so you are able to escape. So I want you to clasp your hands and you're going to use the base of your palms and you're going to attack one of their elbow joints. It doesn't matter which one. Now you have to be very cautious as you attack. All the person's energy is coming towards you. So you have to be mindful that you don't get a head-on-head collision. So as you attack their arm, you have to move your body towards the side. From here now, you're going to quickly scratch the face or rig the eyes. That's going to cause them to turn their heads towards the side. Then you're going to hold the chin, hold the back of the head. Ideally, you can snap the neck if you are strong enough, but you just need them to get off of you. So you're going to turn and push as hard as you can with all your might. And do a barrel roll and then elbow to the temple. Let's try it one more time. So again, the person has you pinned down and trying to impose their will upon you. Alright? This isn't advisable. Super duper hard. Okay, and it just makes the person angry and they will attack even more. So quickly clasp your hands. So you have the power of your two hands. Attack one of their elbow joints. Right? Even though you're attacking one of the elbow joints, you'll get the two hands or arms trapped. Again, be very mindful. All the person's energy is coming down upon you, so you don't want a head-on-head collision. So you quickly move your body towards the side. So I'm choosing to attack the person's left arm, so I'm going to push my body towards my left. So as she falls upon me, I'm going to rig the eyes. That is going to cause her to turn her head towards the side. I'm going to quickly hold the chin and hold the back of the head, and I'm going to turn as hard as I can. Continue pushing in that direction. Get the person off. Elbow strike to the temple. Get up and run as quickly as you can. Person submitted. Trying to impose my will on them. Choking them. Clasping hands. Attack one. Good. Beautiful. Right?
No.
Oh, no, you were right. Good. Okay. Right, let's try it one more time. That was good though.
Thank you. I like that one better. It was more accessible.
Okay. So now if you want me to roll towards your,
I gotta rake you.
you gotta this way.
Still with the left hand leading.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I have your pin, clasp, attack. Alright. Good, good. Hold the chin. Cup your hand. No, you're right. You're right. No. Yeah, stay. Like this. And go. Good. Let's try one more time. Let's clean it up. Okay, I have you. Good. Breathe. Get that chin.
I'm gonna hold your hips the whole time.
Yeah.
One more time.
Now I want you to be a little bit more explosive with the elbow. So raise your arm up in the air. Good. Ah. Up in the air.
One more time.
Be more like this. Up, down. So even if I have you like this, I have you down here, right? Want to go up in the air, I have you to the side, up in the air and come down with all my might.
Gotcha.
Okay?
So my elbow's not getting high. That's what
Yeah,
you're saying.
not getting out.
But this is okay.
Yes, that's fantastic. So picture like you're straight, raising up, like fist up, and then come down with all your might.
Black power fist. I got it.
Up. Bang. Good. That was the best one.